You can buy any candle, but why buy just any regular candle when you could buy a Roost Point Remedies 100% pure and natural British beeswax candle? Whether it's a gift for a family member, a friend, or even for yourself, a Roost Point Remedies candle will be sure to make a statement. Beautifully packaged in a sustainable, biodegradable cardboard gift box, luxuriously designed with a reusable matte black glass jar and fitted wooden lid, and hand poured in Wales using triple filtered BBKA approved British beeswax. This high-end, outstanding quality candle will look absolutely incredible in any room. Our beeswax candles are made from 100% natural beeswax, so they don't produce any toxic byproducts or heavy soot, unlike other candles on the market. When burned, beeswax candles release negative ions into the atmosphere, which help to neutralize pollutants in the air, eliminating dust, odours and mould spores. Not only can this help to ease asthma and allergy symptoms, but it has also been found to have an invigorating effect on the body and a general positive effect on mood and emotional state. Beeswax candles are also great to use in the kitchen, where they will help to neutralize persistent odours without tainting food with artificial aromas, and they can also be used in a home office or any other area where there might be a large concentration of use and lingering odours. Because natural beeswax has a higher melting point than other candles, it emits the brightest, most warm-toned flame similar to the spectrum of sunlight. This helps to reduce eye strain and headaches when using candles as a light source. Beeswax is also denser than many other waxes, which means it lasts longer than many other candles. They burn brighter, drip less, and last longer, which is why they're used in most churches and cathedrals. At Roost Point Remedies, we only use beeswax that is 100% organically produced and humanely harvested from British Beekeepers Association approved bee farms. The bee farmers ensure that no harm is done to the bees, and they sustainably harvest the beeswax created by bees that are fed on local forest and wildflower. Why are bees so important? Without the planet's population of bees, no life would survive. We believe it's our responsibility to do what we can to help keep the population of bees thriving. That's why we donate 6% of our beeswax product profits to the BBKA Save the Bees appeal. Kinder to you and your family, kinder to our planet, and kinder to our bees. We hand pour our beeswax in our modest workshop in Wales, the UK, so that we can support businesses more local to us. We use sustainable packaging and we try to keep our carbon footprint as low as possible. Read our reviews and you'll see just how much people love our beeswax candle, and they give them as gifts to their family members, friends, work colleagues, or even to themselves. Our candles are made with care, they're given with love, and they're received with appreciation. So buy yours today and make someone or yourself smile.